Hi guys, in this video we talk about Honor X50 GT versus Honor X50 Pro. The Honor X50 GT launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $400 and the Honor X50 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $400. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices 192 gram both, and the build front and back glass and plastic frame. It's come with dual SIM support. The both devices come with AMOLED display and the screen size is 6.78 inches and the resolution is same 1.5K screen resolution and the PPI density 431 in both devices. Refresh rate is same 120Hz and the screen to body ratio is same 91.2%. Gorilla Glass protection in both mobiles and the both mobiles come with 1600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Honor X50 GT come with dual camera setup. The main sensor 108 megapixel wide and second 2 megapixel depth and it's record 4K 30fps video. And the X50 Pro also come with dual camera setup. The main sensor 108 megapixel and the second 2 megapixel depth sensor and it's also record 4K 30fps video. The selfie camera, the Honor X50 GT and the Honor X50 Pro come with 8 megapixel selfie camera and it's record 1080p 30fps video with front camera. And the platform, the both devices come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X2 and the chipset is same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset 4nm. The GPU is same Adreno 730 in both devices and the Honor X50 GT come with Android 13 and Honor X50 Pro come with Android 14. Let's go to the memory. The Honor X50 GT come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the Honor X50 Pro come with 12GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Honor X50 GT come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The Honor X50 Pro come with 256GB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Honor X50 GT and the Honor X50 Pro come with 5800 mAh battery and the both mobile come with 35 watt fast charging and no wireless charging support in both mobiles. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same and the result of these devices, the Honor X50 GT come with got 26 points and the Honor X50 Pro got 24 points.